Muthenya Umwe Utiele maandamano ma Kulilikana ala Maaisye Mathayu Maandamanoni ma finance bill ya Mwakani wa 2024 Matwaiiw'e Ikundi Yimwe Amuika Niyasya yo Ndikon'ya na Maandamano asu Ikundi Yineena Ungu Mwavuli wa One Tribe One Nation Gen Z movement Kuya Ruiru Yasya kana maandamano ma 2024 Mayasukumitwe ni Uteti kana ngwatanio syake Uteti Indi Masukumitwe ni Wendi wa Kuvindua nthi ya Kenya Mayasye maandamano ma OU ni malikilele toni ateti alame kwenda kwiyaka ki Uteti kitabi nokutweleza.
There shall be no Gen Z's protest on Thursday, 25th June 2026.
Amuika Ungu ngwatanio ya One Tribe One Nation Gen Z movement kisioni kia Ruiru kaunti ya Kiambu ni mawetaka maandamano mavaumbe ni maina imaki Uteti ationa musukumo wa kwenda kuona mawalio kuva Kenya kwiva kukuna Mungu ulusani na siko sia kuthi utena kisia kimundu.
Our position is informed by one simple principle: the preservation of life and the pursuit of our ideals through wisdom, responsibility, and peaceful civic engagement. We did not rise because of political parties. We did not rise because of coalitions. We did not rise because of politicians. We did not rise because of activists. We rose because we desired a better Kenya. A Kenya free from corruption. A Kenya free from bad governance. A Kenya free from injustices. A Kenya where accountability is not optional but is a must.
Amuika amewetaka na maandamano ma Wakana one malikililwe ki Uteti ni atetiala mekwenda kwimanthia nguma.
We must be very clear. When the Gen Zs came to the streets in the year 2024, nobody was paying our transport. Nobody was coercing you. Nobody came to lobby and came to influence and actually gaslight people to go to the streets. That is the political class.
Gen Zs will not accept self-ill politicians who come and want to mobilize and pretend that they are our leaders.
Today we are leaderless, tribeless, and we will not allow any political party to come in between and lead us.
O kavindani kau Amuika makuli ya Kenya kwekala musi na kutwaisya maundumo makila muthenya na kulilikana ala Mathayu Thayu mwini wa 6 Mwakani wa 2024 kwesila mboya vamwe na kwenda serikali ianisye watho wayo wa kwiva ala makuniki Maandamanoni asu.
On Thursday, 25th of June 2026, we encourage all Kenyans to commemorate the day peacefully. Share the stories and photographs of our departed patriots. Take a moment of prayer whenever you are. Pray from your home, pray from your workplace, pray from your schools, pray from your place of worship, pray for the families who continue to carry the burden of loss. Gen Z's power!
Power! Dili vote ya vilingi wa Mutango TV, Neta wa Charles Kitavi.